Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.ADNAN. Today's tutorial is related to how can we highlight iron oxide index, and how can we make iron oxide index, and how can we make a normalized difference iron index. So these two formulas here, which I'm going to show you with on the Landsat 8 data with this ratio. So let's start it. First of all, I'm going to add some Landsat 8 data. The band 4, 3 and 2 we need for it. So these are we need it, as you can see. First of all, I'm open the data where I'm keep it here, the Chatral region. Sorry, not here, it's within here. 2024, band 4 and 2, 3. Okay, these are will be needed. So first of all, we make the N IOI, it's mean iron oxide index, and then we make the normalized difference iron index, NDII. Okay, so for it we simple use the raster calculator. Open it. I little need to off my internet connection because due to the online it's little bit stuck and little be taking more time, so that's why. Due to the network speed, it will affect it on it. So that's why I also recommend you when your system is not compatible with the online, so you need to turn off it, because ARCGIS this work is totally offline, so we don't need the data. So I turn off my Wi-Fi connection, and here now I just going to the float, and this formula you need to check this one. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 divided by 4 plus 3, and this is called IOI, which means iron oxide index. Okay, simple. Okay, it will perform. After completing of it, we will going toward the NDII, which means normalized difference iron index. Okay, in this ratio we just change here the band 2 instead of band 3, so this formula will be completed for this one. So it's little take time, so that's why I escape it. So viewers, as you can see, it's will be done. The values is between the 1 and +1 to -1. So we will be compare it with the normalized difference iron index. So now let's go to the apply this formula 4 minus 2. So here I open ARCGIS, and again to the raster calculator, and this time we will be use band 4 and band 3. Again to the float. Okay, 4 minus 2, and then slash float 4 was 2, and then we go to the here. This will be called NDII. Sorry, in a capital NDII. Okay, so here we write for Chitral. This is the name of district of Pakistan, Chitral. So now it's done, because this area for representing the Chitral district, and I did escape it. As you can see, it will be done, and now you can see it's value range from plus to -1, but here with the difference of same area and same time data, but the difference you can check. So first of all, I am going to its properties to change its symbology. As you can see, symbology to histogram twice, and this color we will be given, and the same color we will be given to both indices, to both ratio 1. Go to the properties, and again here is the histogram equalize, and the color will be like this one, and okay, it's so the high value, the red color will be showing the abundance of the iron oxide mineral, mostly the iron mineral. So you can see, wait a minute, all the remaining there I need to off it, just these two I open. So as you can see, this for the NDI, and same value will be showing IO, but little difference. So you can use with the iron oxide and iron normalized difference. Between this one will be with the oxide iron, and this one will be the normally iron. Where is it present? So this tutorial will be ended here, and I hope so it will help you in identifying iron oxide and iron minerals. Thanks for watching.